Did you know that in 2013, cuts and lacerations were the fourth highest reported injuries to the WSIB? We at Retail Merchandising Innovations believe that with regular, proper training, these numbers will reduce. Our auto-retractable cutter is safe, but accidents can happen, which is why you are watching this training video. The goal is to get you comfortable and properly trained to operate and handle this cutter. Start by getting familiar with it. Expose the blade and let it retract. This automatic retracting feature is what makes this a safer cutter. Say goodbye to accidental cuts from forgetting you have an exposed blade. Notice there is a scraper on the opposite end of the cutter. This can be used to scrape off sticky residue from your shelves and fixtures. It also doubles as a tape splitter for those fragile packages. The blade in the cutter is extremely sharp and should be kept sharp and clean. This is also for your safety. A sharp blade reduces the force needed to cut boxes and packaging. Dull blades tend to slip during cutting and increase your chances of accidents. To change your blade or to clean it, follow these steps. With both hands, carefully handle the cutter like so. If you are left-handed, hold it with opposite hands. Pull slowly with your thumb in the indented portion of the scraper while firmly holding onto the metal body. Do this slowly in an area away from where you may be bumped into. Now you should have the cutter separated into two parts, like so. The blade is hidden under a flip-top lid. The auto-retractable safety cutter's blades are four-sided. Take advantage of this by using all four corners before disposing. If you are changing the blade, handle it on the short ends like so. Remove and carefully discard all dull blades into a sharps container like the R.M.I blade box. Take the new blade and place it in the slot matching the holes to the pegs to secure it. Flip the lid down and again push the inner portion of the cutter carefully into the metal case. It is important to remember the orientation of the metal case when putting the cutter back together again. Now that you understand how to maintain your blades, let's talk about how to properly use the auto-retractable safety cutter. With the box you need to open, first check to see if it is okay to use a cutter. If you see the following symbol, you should not use a blade. For these instances, the scraper end of the auto-retractable safety cutter can be used to split the tape open like this. If you do not see any warning symbols, push on the slotted thumb area of the cutter to expose the blade. Keep your thumb pushed to hold the blade out. Gently cut the tape away from your body and in an area away from other people. To case cut the box, find the starting point. This time, once you have pierced the box, you can let go of your thumb while maintaining slight pressure in the direction you are cutting. Removing your thumb ensures that when you come to the end of the cut, the blade will automatically retract, minimizing the chance of cutting yourself. Remember, always cut away from your body and don't rush. Clean out any dirt from the cutter case regularly, as the retracting feature may become clogged. Once you are done with your cutter, simply attach it to your merch kit like so. This way you will always know where it is and have it in arm's reach. Always remember these blades are sharp and can cause serious accidents. Do not leave it lying around and properly dispose of your blades in the R.M.I blade box. If you have any questions, ask your supervisor or visit our website at www.retailmerch.com.